Good day, my flicky friends, and welcome back to another episode of Switchblade Wade's EDC. Hope you are all good. Today we have another special video for you of once again another Italian Stiletto Switchblade. Today we have a special one on the channel for you. One of my first purchases, one of my first Frank Beltrames. Today we are looking at this gorgeous 28 centimeter or 11 inch Italian Stiletto Frank Beltrame swing guard in Camel Bone. Isn't that just a beauty, guys and girls? Beautiful, beautiful knife. This is one of my absolute gems. I'll never ever trade or sell this one. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful Camel Bone. Oh, just amazing piece. Solid swing guard. So let's fire this one up. Oh man, this is just one of my absolute gems. Look at that bone. Camel bone looks almost like ivory. Here we go. Oh yeah. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Absolute beautiful, beautiful gem of a knife. Camel Bone. Frank B. Italy once again. This was one of my first swing guards. This one and the ebony swing guard. I do have two ebony knives. I said I only had that ebony crisp, but I have the ebony what is the swing guard. So that ebony swing guard that I put on the channel before, that you guys seen, that one and this one I bought together as a set. I was selling a few of these last year in mother of pearl and abalone and bone and horn, but yeah, they obviously sold out. I think maybe Frank will be making them again, so if he does, then we'll have some on the website for you and you can purchase them. But look at this absolute beaut. This one is just another beauty. I'll never part with this knife. Beautiful one in my collection. Let's take a closer look. Those camel bone horn scale, camel bone scales are just beautiful. Like I said, they look almost like ivory. Let's give it another flick. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Brass liners as well. Stainless steel. There are some play in the guards, but that's fine, I don't care. Still awesome Italian Stiletto swing guard. Yeah man, just a gorgeous piece. Give it another fire up. Safety works, everything. This knife is probably 3 years old now, going on 4, and it's still solid. I keep all my switchblades closed in a safe, and they never ever have any trouble firing up. But you can store them however you want, open. I'll store a few open if I had a nice display case, but I don't have one right now. So guys, don't forget to subscribe there, like the video, share the videos to your friends that love these knives as well. Share the channel. What else? Visit our Webstore. We got some 10-inch swing guards there. We have lots of swing guards on the website as well. They're the more affordable swing guards and stiletto switchblades and knives. All these are all sold out already. But go visit our website, go shop there, get some stuff in time for Christmas. We can ship it out for you. Only $20 shipping to the USA. Yeah, just another beautiful knife for you today. Just a beauty, 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 beauty. Just a beauty. Always wanted this one, and I'm glad that I found her. Beautiful Camel Bone swing guard from Frank Beltrame. 28 centimeter goodness, just beautiful. Check our swing guards on our website. We got a few there, lots of different ones. We got Chris swing guards, bayonet. We got snakewood. We got Damascus. We got lots of stuff. Sweet Italian stilettos. So don't sleep on the website, guys. If you want switchblades, get them now while they're hot. Another last flicky for this one, and we're gonna cut the video here and see you on the next one. So like the video, comment, say something. Let's get the activity going on the channel, and subscribe and share. And last but not least, visit our website. Website link at the bottom of this video, and on the home page on top, all the links are there. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Alright, my flicky friends, see you next time. Peace.